are making piggies in a blanket. And now I'm going to tell you how to make them. So first you have the 1 cup of flour and you pour it in. Then you have 2 tablespoons of sugar. You have 1 1/2 tablespoon of baking powder. So make sure you have the right amount or you'll not make it right. So then we have the milk. 1 cup of milk. You pour it into the bowl. Then we pour in the salt, which is 1/2 a tablespoon of salt.
Mom,
Then we pour in the oil, which is 2 tablespoons of oil. Don't put 3 or more. We only need 2. Then we put in 1 egg. Crack it. Then you open the egg. Then last you add the vanilla. Now you mix it all together. Now we are going to put it onto the hot grill.
Hey, is it time for baking yet?
First, we are going to do 1 tablespoon, 1/4 of a cup, onto the pan. Then we do another one onto the pan. Then we grab another 1/4 of a cup onto the pan. And then we grab another one. Make sure that you do it all, and if it is not mushed together, and make sure the whole pan is full before you stop baking. I'm going to put the tiny ones for Lily. Too tiny? Too tiny?
Perfect.
You gotta look for the bubbles, then gotta... First then you grab it.
Okay, hold on.
Got it.
Hold on. You gotta make sure the spatula is under the pancake like that. There you go. Now,
Then we grab flip it.
ooh,
Dad? On a pin. And then you flip it.
Say snack time with Lily.
Daddy left on it.
Good. Show him how to peel the banana. Good. Now you can show them how to add Nutella to their snack. You can add it on the banana. Yay! How does it look? Is your snack time done?
No.
Oh, that looks good.
I took the vanilla.
Yes, you did.
Wait, I'm not finished yet.
can I have one? Can I have one? Mmm, that's a good snack.
Next you have pre-cooked sausages, I'm doing 3, and pancakes. So first we grab a sausage, wrap the pancake like that, and then stick the toothpick right in. Stick the toothpick in to the sausage and the pancake to make a piggies and a blanket. Now the second is, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Okay, then we get another sausage, wrap it around the pancake, and do the same thing over. Stick it in. Then you do the last one. Wrap it around, stick the toothpick in, then you have a plate of piggies in a blanket, and we put the bacon later at breakfast.
On top.
What?
No.
Dad, thank you for watching my cooking show and enjoy your meal.